Let me show you how to scrape thousands of data from LinkedIn. In this video, you will learn how to easily and super fast scrape unlimited data from LinkedIn using a powerful software known as Lead Sniper. This software has helped me and many others scrape data effortlessly from different social media sites, and today I'm going to show you how to use this software to start scraping data from LinkedIn. And also, I will show you how to easily get access to this software and also how to use this software appropriately so that you can scrape unlimited and thousands of data from the LinkedIn site. So quickly, all you need to do right now is you need to check the link down in the video description, and once you click on the link, it's going to bring you over to this page. And once you are here on this page, you can find so many helpful tips and many information concerning the software. So what we are going to do is we want to get access to this software, and for us to be able to do that, we just have to go down a little bit, and here you can see where we have different pricing. Okay, so what you want to do is choose the price that best fits your business. So you can basically start with the starter plan, which goes for $149. Okay, and one thing about the software is that you get to pay a one-time fee. So once you pay a one-time fee, you are not paying anything for lifetime, right? So a one-time fee would give you access to this tool for a lifetime. So once you've been able to get yourself access, right, by clicking on the buy now button, you basically have two methods of making your payment. Number one, you can either pay via your card, and number two, you can either pay via PayPal. So whatever payment method you want to use, you can try it out here on Lead Sniper. So me, I already have myself a plan already using the tool, so I'm going to show you how to use this tool and also how to make use of this tool appropriately so that you can start scraping thousands of data from LinkedIn. So quickly, I'm going to open up a new browser and I'm going to open up the tool. So you can see the tool icon here on my browser. So what I'm going to do right now is I just want to put in the keyword that I want to extract data from. So I want to extract the data of architect on LinkedIn, and the website source is going to be on LinkedIn. So you can see we have different social media sites that you can extract data from. So you have the YouTube, we have Pinterest, we have Reddit, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and many others. So for me, I'm going to click on LinkedIn. So once I'm here on LinkedIn, the next thing I want to do is I want to click on the country. So what country do I want to scrape data from, right? So for me, I'm just going to work with the United States of America. So I'm going to go down a little bit and find United States of America. So you can see here is United States. I'm going to click on United States, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to leave all this on default, and I'm going to click on start. So as I click on start, automatically this software is going to open up a new browser for me entirely. You can see it's going to start helping me to scrape data of architect on LinkedIn. So you can see how super fast and how super easy it is to start scraping data from LinkedIn. So if you want to get access to this tool, all you need to do is to check the link down in the video description to get yourself access to this tool, and you can use it to start extracting and scraping thousands of data from any social media site of your choice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up this tool to check how many data it has been able to get for me. So you can see over 15 data has been generated, 16, and you can see it is climbing. So you can let this run for as many times as you want it to run, and automatically it's going to help you scrape and extract data from the LinkedIn site. So if you want to get access to this tool, please check the video description for your link. So guys, this is actually how you start scraping thousands of data from any social media site of your choice using the Lead Sniper Google search scraper. So I'll see you in my next video, and until next time, bye and take care of yourself.